class for constantly mean a dreadful feedback and criticism from other teachers. And I hate this class for letting me to feel disheartened and dismay, and sometimes for giving me so much drubbing that led me to 2 to 3 day illness. Diba nagkakasakit ako minsan dahil simply being not into my average maybe. But then again, I'm sorry. Sorry if I'm not that approachable and accessible advisor. Sorry if I frequently dig up my emotions toward irritation. Sorry if sometimes instead of motivating and steering, I end up of giving you punishment and reprimand. Sorry, sorry, and sorry. Thank you. Thank you. I earned so much bravery and guts to say thank you. Thank you because you made me laugh. You made me feel pleased and slim. You made me feel happy still. And thank you because you made me feel comfy and effortlessness to come with the preaching of you. Actually, ginawa ko to kanina tanghali lang. Naputol siya. Naputol! Kaya marami pa ako sasabihin ng putol. Salamat. Ito na yung continuation. Salamat sa mga pasalamat din sa akin. Nag-appreciate sa akin kahapon sa laboratory. Hindi ka na, I never expect na ma-appreciate nyo the way I am to you. Kahit na sobra akong talagang irritable sa inyo, dahil naman yun. And yun nga, sorry sa lahat. At sana, bago matapos itong SEM na ito ay maging maayos yung relationship natin as teachers and as teacher and student and teacher relationship. At saka sana hindi nyo ako makalimutan. Kasi for sure, baka hindi na tayo magkita-kita next SEM. Or kung magkita man tayo, baka hindi na kayo advisor next SEM. So malamang kayo pa rin. Hindi ko rin alam. Baka malamang posible kayo pa rin. Baka lang ha. So yan, salamat sa lahat ng memories din. At siguro compare to yung other advisory class ko last year, compare kayo sa kanila. Mas naging open yung emotion ko sa inyo, yung feelings ko, mas nailalabas ko. Unlike sa kanila, never ko yan nailabas. Siguro konti lang, pero dito, mas nailalabas ko pa siya. So, thank you and sorry Hugot pa ako ng lakas at ng guts. Sabi ko nga kanina, guts, para lang masabi ko yan sa inyo. So, thank you sa surprises. Na-surprise ako doon. Alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako showbie. Kala nyo lang hindi ako na-surprise, pero na-surprise talaga ako. Mamaya, iiyak-iyak ako na. Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na!